Hello everyone and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I want to show you how you can create an artificial intelligence agent, specifically using Copilot, but this time it's going to be inside your SharePoint site. So what you see here is I have my SharePoint site that I created. I called it Simplicity Onboarding. It's pretty basic, I would say. And all I've done here is I went to Documents and then I uploaded a few samples from around policies, around how many vacation days, how many sick days, and so on. I also added additional information about legal and compliance, and also kind of the introduction to the company, the vision, and so on. So what I've done before is I showed you the ability to create artificial intelligence agents using Copilot. And what we have done before is we have to provide a link to the SharePoint site and then upload the documents there. But what you could do here instead, which is going to be much easier to be honest, is you can go ahead and say, I want to create an agent here on my documents. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select, let's say, these documents here, and I'm going to say create an agent. So this artificial intelligence agent is going to basically be grounded here in these documents, and it's going to be live inside your SharePoint. So I'm going to say create an agent, and now this agent is based on these sources. So I included all the sources here. Please note that here I included the PDF version and the Microsoft Word version as well. You can of course include one, but here again, I'm trying to help the AI as much as possible. So now I'm going to tell you, well, are you happy with it? I'm going to say sure. You can say open agent, and the artificial intelligence agent should appear somewhere in here. So here we go. It's going to call it documents agent.agent. You can of course go ahead and rename it if you want, and the document agent is going to appear here on the right hand side. So let's go ahead and test it out, and hopefully it's going to work. I'm going to say how many vacation days do I have. So now it's going to work on the request, and it's going to look for relevant documents, and here we go. It's going to tell you at Simplicity, employees are entitled to 20 vacation days per year, which are accrued monthly. Okay, looks good. I can ask it, for example, how many sick days am I allowed? And let's go ahead and wait and see. And hopefully it's going to come up with the value of 10. Here we go. That's great. It's going to tell you, well, employees are entitled to 10 sick days per year, and the policies are designed to be flexible. And you can go ahead and click here. That's going to direct you to the source of that data. And please note that this is the agent. You can go ahead, click on it, and now it's going to show you what documents that the agent reference. You can of course go ahead and edit the agent if you'd like to update the information. And you can go ahead and summarize here asking questions. For example, I can say, how can I use this resource as an example? Let's go ahead and run it. And that is going to be talking specifically to our AI agent that we just created. Here we go. It's going to tell you, welcome to Simplicity. As a new team member, you have comprehensive onboarding, collaborative work, professional growth, legal and guidelines, and key contacts, and it's giving you as well the email here for human resources if you would like to contact. And that's it. That's all I have for this lecture. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next lecture.